and this is mine. I'll show you how to cut the hot dogs, okay? Watch it. Good.
I make a piece.
Yeah.
More?
Just like this. You have to hold it like this. Hold it with your other hand. There. Okay, I'll teach you how. Okay, hold the hot dog.
It's broken now.
You hold the hot dog. Oh, you can use this too. Look, it's a dinosaur.
Yeah, I can use it.
You use it like this.
Yes, I want to use it like that.
Macaroni. So, dapat maliliit lang yung cut ng mga hotdog.
You should bake macaroni.
Yes. Later, you have to bake. Bake?
Are we gonna put it in the oven?
Yes.
Is that gonna be super hot?
Yeah. Next is we're going to cut the vegetables.
Okay, so it's gonna be healthy.
Yes, but I think Mama should cut it. Baka ma-hurt yung eyes mo eh. Okay, you just...
Nadulas ako kasi yung electric fan.
No, you don't. Yan. Mama's cutting. I also have to be careful. Mamakat ko yung kamay ko.
Nakamakat mo din yung kamay ko.
Kamay ko.
Kasi yung bahawak mo. Wow.
Oops.
Kasi
Mag-slide. Then, ano natin? Okay. Dapat yung pinag-video habang pinakat yung ingredients yung ganyan.
I want this.
Shredder? Oh, yeah. But you don't have to shred this. Sakit na rin ang eyes na because of the garlic. Do you feel the hurt in your hand?